Do you know restored buildings are a beacon of green hope? In today's world where environmental consciousness is key, the restoration of old buildings becomes known as a powerful act of sustainability. It's not merely about preserving history, it's a demonstration to our commitment to the planet. Rather than succumbing to the quick fix of demolition and replacement, understanding and supporting rehabilitation, restoration, and preservation reflects a deeper spirit of caring for our environment. The three pillars of responsible waste management: reduce, reuse, and recycle align seamlessly with the mission of restoring old structures. By reducing the need for new construction materials, reusing existing resources, and recycling materials where possible, we minimize our ecological footprint. We do this by minimizing the generation, transportation, and storage of unwanted waste in overflowing landfills. At the same time, reduce the overuse of precious natural resources needed to replace the old structures. These practices not only save valuable landfill space, but also contribute to the rejuvenation of our architectural heritage. Among the many aspects of restoration, one often overlooked but crucial component is the fortification of roofs. Roofs exposed to the elements bear the brunt of wear and tear over time. Incorporating sustainable practices in roof restoration not only enhances the structural integrity of the building, but also reduces environmental impact. Replacing roofs contributes significantly to environmental harm due to the extensive waste produced during pointless removal and transportation. This unwanted waste occupies substantial space and decomposes over centuries, releasing harmful substances into the air, groundwater, land, and waterways. Enter the new opportunity with the right green coatings, the unsung heroes of sustainable restoration. The right green coatings, designed and guaranteed to endure for at least 20 years, provide a durable shield against weathering and deterioration, including for roofs. Moreover, their eco-friendly formulation ensures that they can be easily renewed at the end of their life cycle, minimizing waste and maximizing longevity. The benefits of utilizing green coatings extend beyond environmental stewardship. By prolonging the lifespan of buildings, they offer significant cost savings in the long run. Furthermore, the aesthetic appeal of restored structures enhances property value and contributes to the revitalization of communities. But perhaps the most compelling aspect of embracing green coatings in restoration projects is the ripple effect it creates. By setting a precedent for sustainable practices, we inspire others to follow suit. Every restored building becomes a guiding light of hope, showcasing the potential for coordinated coexistence between heritage preservation and environmental conservation. In essence, the revival of old buildings surpasses mere architectural endeavor. It becomes a declaration of our commitment to a greener future. It embodies the character of sustainability, resilience, and respect for our planet. So the next time you encounter a dilapidated structure or a worn-out roof, consider the transformative power of restoration with the use of the right green coatings and casement. Together, let's take this journey to breathe new life into our architectural legacy while safeguarding the planet for generations to come. You may like this quote from Benjamin Franklin: "An investment in knowledge pays the best interest." What are your questions about this episode? We are always here to help and excited to answer them. Thank you for listening, and see you on my next episode.